fats. Today we'll be studying about fat. Fat is a very important component of our body. Correct. It's a very much necessary nutrition of our body. I hope all of you can see the slide. Can see the slide.
No, ma'am, I'm not able to see the slide.
Sir, carbohydrate and fats are related to one thing only.
What is it related to?
Ma'am, fats and carbohydrates are related as one only because both contains oil.
No, there has been a slight mistaken understanding. Kindly mute yourself. Let me allow me to answer. All of you are going to mute yourself. Allow me to answer so that there is no echoing. There is a difference between carbohydrates and fats. There is a huge difference between carbohydrates and fats, though both are energy-giving foods. That's the only common thing. You cannot regard carbohydrates and fats as same. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. That's the only thing that's common. But apart from that, everything is different, right? Fats are basically, in layman's language, if you say fats are basically food substances that have got oil in it, kind of oily structure in it. Like, you can say butter, you can say ghee, you can say oil, margarine, all kinds of oil fall under the category of fats. Whereas carbohydrates are food like potato.
Boiled potato also.
Boiled potato will be carbohydrates.
Ma'am, you said that fats contain boiled things only.
Oily things, I said. Oily.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear the class because of your power failure.
Which portion could you not hear?
From the revising session, you were water, refuge, and you were speaking. No, that time I was left the meeting.
Sorry, I did not get which portion. The revision portion.
Yeah, this page only. Water, the fourth water, refuge, general you were asking.
Okay, I got it. I'll just take you through. As I was discussing, Neha, that water is very important for our body, right? It is a medium for body reactions. Whatever process happens inside our body, be it blood transport, be it carrying it, be it digestion, be it eating, be it nervous system, everything, water is required. Without water, none of the body reactions will happen. If your brain is working, if you're seeing, if you're swallowing, everything requires water. The second point is transport of substances. Transport of substances would mean, for example, oxygen is transported, food is transported, waste material is transported. So water is the medium for transport. It is the medium through which the substances are transported from one organ of the body to the other. Okay. Digestion, of course, without water, digestion will not happen only. Our mouth will be dry, esophagus will be dry, food will not reach the stomach and the small intestine. Correct? And waste removal, as I was saying, water through water, only if we drink water, it comes out, all the waste materials comes out in the form of sweat. All the waste material, from our body, water collects and, takes it out of our body with the help of urine, right? That is waste removal. And of course, maintenance of constant body temperature. All of us have a constant body temperature of 97.5 degree. Just because of water only we are able to maintain it, or else if we went to a hilly area, a snowy area, our body would have become cold. Just because of water we are able to maintain the body temperature. And what are the sources of water? Drinking water, cucumber, tomatoes, spinach, right? All these are the sources. And
ma'am,
yes, Haripriya.
Can you say where it will come, this paper where you will send?
It will come in the weekend. It will come either on a Saturday or Sunday. You will get it in your ePrep, either on your ePrep app or through mail. But you will get it.
Okay,
your parents will get it. Okay. And every day, Neha, we must have at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. That's a minimum requirement. Now coming to roughage. roughage is a very important thing which we had studied last time, fiber, cellulose, which are, we receive from green leafy vegetables, spinach, broccoli, etc. And as you know, they add bulk to our food. Only because of roughage we can clear our bowels every day. Otherwise, the person will have constipation, right? So roughage is very much required. Roughage is the thing which actually absorbs water inside the intestine and adds bulk. We must have, an adult person must have 12.8 to 14.8 gram of roughage every single day. This is a daily need. If this is not met, then the body might have a problem. Correct? So this is what I had taught Neha. Are you through? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So maybe, we can finish off the class now here. One by one, you can leave the class, correct? And we will all see you again next week. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, Haripriya. Welcome, Yashika.
You are currently the only person in this conference.